गुड मॉर्निंग एंड अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग सॉल्यूशंस। आपका बहुत स्वागत है हमारे चैनल में। इफ यू आर अ फर्स्ट टाइम व्यूअर ऑफ दिस चैनल, आई वुड recommend you to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon on the notification panel to stay updated on all the videos that we are posting. If you send me a screenshot after subscribing to the channel on WhatsApp 9113211787, I will add you to the secret Telegram and WhatsApp group where we discuss strategies on a daily basis. I have also given the link in the description box below. You can click the link and join the Telegram group. Let's right jump into the topic of discussion today. To download the application that I'm going to explain now, you will have to click on the link in the description box below and join Cred. This has to be done through a referral link. So moving on to the topic of discussion today, I'm going to introduce you to the platform called Cred, where you can manage your credit cards, where you can pay your credit cards. For equal number of amount that you pay for your credit card, you will be rewarded with equal number of points. So Cred is a free credit card bill payment mobile application available for iOS and Android platforms. It simplifies the bill payment process and rewards the users for paying their credit card bills on time. So Cred accepts MasterCard, Visa, RuPay, American Express, as well as your Diners Club credit card issued by the major banks. Let us look at how Cred works. Cred can be accessed only if you have a credit score or a civil score of 750 and above. Cred requests access and verifies your current credit score from credit bureaus like Experian, CRIF and CIBIL. If you qualify, the app will integrate existing credit cards to Cred account. A detailed registration guide is what I am going to explain you. First thing is, you will have to install the application from Android, iOS, mobile phone and sign up with your mobile number. The next step is, after verifying your mobile number with OTP, the app will check your credit score and notify you if you are eligible for the service. On successful verification, the app will add all the credit cards linked to your mobile number, and it will take quite some time. 5 to 10 minutes is what I have personally experienced, but it will add all your credit cards, and the maximum number of credit cards that you can add is 10. So if you have more than 10 credit cards, you also have an option to add it manually. And then the next step is, you have to verify your credit card details by adding your masked numbers which are not visible on the Cred platform. You can add it using your credit card, or you can choose to verify by paying your credit card bill. So once that is done, Cred will automatically verify by crediting you 1 rupee through IMPS or UPI, which will automatically be read. A message will be read by Cred on your mobile phone that 1 rupee was successfully credited to your credit card account, and then your verification will done. So now what you will do is, you will start paying your credit card bills and you will start accumulating your reward points equivalent to the number of credit cards that you have multiplied by the amount that you pay. That is going to be the total reward points. So now the main question is, how to make a credit card payment on Cred. You can actually log into your Cred account and pay through net banking, your debit card and also your UPI. So the first step is, log into your Cred account and access through the app. Under cards, you will choose the card number which you want to pay, and then the bill amount will be automatically shown. You will also be shown as the minimum amount, the maximum amount that you want to pay, or an amount which you specify for payment. So this option is given for those people who want to pay above the minimum amount which has to be paid, and for those who want to pay extra amount as well. So you will click on the button pay now and pay the amount. You will understand all this when you download the application and complete the registration. So I am going to actually show you the rewards on the screen. Meanwhile, I will continue to explain what are the benefits. So if you are using Cred, what will happen is, besides it being one stop platform for paying your credit card bills, you will also earn reward points for every rupee you pay. Like I have told before, the reward points are called Cred coins, and then which are redeemable on various offerings on the Cred app. Offers are updated regularly on the app, and you can redeem your Cred coins by burning the coins for cash reward. You can track your payment history for all the credit cards added on the platform, as well as keep a track of upcoming bills. So features like kill the bill enables you to earn cashback rewards by repaying your credit bill. You will get a reminder each time when your credit card bill is generated. Ensure that you are not delaying your credit card payment. So if there is any question, I have noted down 4 questions which are frequently asked. The first question is there a limit on the bill that I can pay using Cred? No, you can pay the entire amount of the bill that your card is generating on the platform. However, the payments made through debit cards are capped at 2000 rupees for security reason, but for internet banking you don't have that limitation. So the second question is, I have paid my credit card bill through net banking on the app, but my session timed out. What do I do? If your session has timed out during the payment process, you can initiate a payment process again. The third question that is more frequently asked is, I have paid my bill through Cred, but have not got a notification from the bank as well as the Cred. Why is this? So depending on the bank and the method of payment that you do, it will take up to 2 working hours, 2 working days for the bank to process your bill. And then the last question, most important question, is does Cred charge a fee for verification bill payment for your application that you are using? No, Cred will not charge you anything for this. And guys, you can download this application from iOS and Android. This application can only be downloaded through a referral link. Only a person who has been part of Cred will refer you, and you will join for your cashback. When I mean cashback, the amount that you pay for your credit card, you will be equated to the number of coins, as well as for the cashback on your credit card, you will have to register through the link which I have given, which I personally use. So for every referral there is a benefit that I am also going to get, and also you are welcomed with additional benefits also for using the referral link. Do not miss this opportunity. Click the link below and join Cred right now. This is the #1 platform in India right now to pay your credit card and manage your credit card bills. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to share it with your friends. You can check out our other videos in the playlist as well. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the section below, comment box below, and send me a message on WhatsApp as well, 9113211787. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.